Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you an app which we can solve Sudoku just in 2 seconds. For this, we have to go to Play Store and type in the search box that Sudoku capture and tap on enter button. Here is the app which is 4.6 ratings and 10,000 downloads. Let's see about the app. It can capture the puzzles which are given in newspaper and books. You can solve them easily by capturing the images. It supports the full features of the unlimited undos and reundos and hints it can provide. And this is a version of 1.1.0 GB. Now I'm going to open this app. Now I'm going to capture the Sudoku image by using the device. Now I have successfully captured. Now the darkened point numbers or points or questions and the empty blocks or answers. Now click on the show solutions. We can get the solutions. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, share with your friends.